Aileen and Yamin had the same amount of money at first. After Aileen saved another $460 and Yamin spent $72, Aileen had 3 times as much money as Yamin. First question, part A, how much more money had Aileen than Yamin in the end? Second question, part B, how much money did each of them have at first? Now, this question can be solved by drawing a model. So what we can do is, for Aileen and Yamin, we draw the same box for each of them because they both had equal amounts of money. They had the same amount of money at first. Now, what happened was, Aileen, she saved another $460. So she had some additional amounts of money, which is 460. And as for Yamin, she spent. So she decided to take away some of this to go shopping. Okay, $72 for shopping. And then we trace back upwards here to be 72 as well. Okay, so this model that we have will be in the N for Yamin, and this longer one will be in the N for Aileen. Okay, so if you notice, for Aileen, her model is longer. Yamin is just this part. So how much more had Aileen as compared to Yamin? Basically, it's just this section here, right? This section right here. So the answer is, for part A, is just $72 plus $460. Alright, that would give us an answer of $532. Okay, for part A, answer is 532. Now, for part B, how much money did each of them have at first? Now, to do this, we need to recognize that, or we need to understand that in the end, Aileen had 3 times as much as Yamin, which means that this section right here will be 3 units, and this section right here will just be 1 unit, which means the difference between 3 and 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2 units. 2 units will be equals to this box right here, which is the difference, $532. 532. We proceed to find 1 unit. 532, divide this by 2. $266. And to find Yamin's amount, at first we can take 266 excuse me, 266 plus 72. Answer, $338. This is the answer for part B, and this is the answer for part A.